औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। दिस वीडियो इज इन इंग्लिश एज वेल एज इन उर्दू। ये वीडियो इंग्लिश में भी है और उर्दू में भी है। नाउ आई टेल यू इन इंग्लिश। फर्स्ट, listen to me. Israel was supposed to be replaced as per 2 Ezra's chapters, Old Testament. So Allah have already promised in New Testament and as well as Old Testament that Israel will be replaced with a new place, and that is India. So it has come in Hadith also that Israel which is in the east, the Israel which is in the east, the Syria which is in the east, the Sham which is in the east. So if you see the world map, you will find the west, you will find the Syria is in the west of Arab. It means this is a new place and this place is India actually. So all the proofs are being given below. So Israel, the Sham, the Syria is replaced with India. The proofs you watch. And the judgment before the main judgment, that is Qayamat, that is Odom's day, will be held in India only. Hashar, Mahshar. Are you getting me? So Mahshar was supposed to be in the supervision of the Hadi, in the supervision of the Adil. Adil means the judge. So Isa ibn Maryam is called as judge. Jesus Christ is called as judge. So here all the settlement and all the judgments will be given. So I have come as a judge and I am declaring the facts. Israel is, Syria is replaced with India. State of Israel, all 13 alphabets replaced with Andhra Pradesh, the coastal line, and Jerusalem with Hyderabad, and the Masjid Aqsa with the Masjid Aqsa of Qadian, Punjab, and Palestine with this Hyderabad area, and Bablud with the Afzalganj area, the place where the fight took place between me and the Masjid Dajjal first. So all these, the Iraq means actually Pakistan, common border with India, and Khusum Dunya means Barsagir, that is the subcontinent India, including China, including part of China, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and complete Pakistan. So whatever is mentioned in Hadith are symbolical, and it is replaced with India now. Are you getting me? So the prophecy available in the Hadith are symbolical, and its interpretation came true in India. The place Muhammad Mustafa had the vision about the Kaaba destruction and about the Medina and about the Safa, Marwa and the Dabatulars. So all these are the symbolical quotes used in the visions of Prophet Muhammad Mustafa. Its interpretation have come true, but in India. Are you getting me? See the proofs given below. The Prophet Muhammad Mustafa was true. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. जितनी भी पेशगोयाँ थी, जैसे कि हदीस में आता है शाम में ईसा इब्न मरियम आएंगे, और हदीस में आता है इराक, बोला, खुस्तुनतुनिया का जिक्र, मक्का का ढा जाना, हबशी मक्का को ढाना, और मक्का, मदीना और सफ़ा, मरवा, दावतुल अर्ज़, ये सारे मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के जो ख्वाब थे वो उसकी ताबीर ये निकली कि वो हिंदुस्तान में वो जगह पूरी हुई है। मक्का से मुराद अल्लाह का घर, अल्लाह का घर से मुराद यानी यहाँ पर खलीफतुल्लाह का घर कहा गया है। तो सारी बातें सही हुई हैं, लेकिन इंडिया में तो मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का ये ख्वाब था पूरा, मसीह दज्जाल के बारे में, मसीहा महदी के बारे में, और दावतुल अर्ज़ के बारे में, और मसीहा महदी के बारे में, और खाने काबा के ढा जाने के बारे में। इसकी पूरी ताबीर इंडिया में निकली। ये मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा का ख्वाब की ताबीर खुद हदीस से सर्टिफाइड है और कुरान से, लिहाजा वो पूरी हुई अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह। All the visions of Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam were in symbolic language, where the word Iraq, Bola, Khustumtunia means Constantinople, Istanbul, and Syria, Makkah, Medina, demolition of Medina, everything is mentioned, Safa, Marwa, the Dabatulars. So the interpretation of those visions came true, but in India exactly. Are you getting my point? All the prophets were true.